Alright you guys, so let me turn this down real quick. Alright, I'm gonna hop out and show you guys the car, because obviously you guys have not been updated in a minute and I feel bad for that. You can tell I got the duck bill off, no more aftermarket exhaust, no more wrap on the license plate. I got the little duck bill wing spoiler off as well. I got the Akebonos taken off, SSR's taken off. The springs are taken off as well, so it's not lowered anymore. Took off the chrome delete. So it's basically all stock now, besides the roof wrap. It does have a grill delete. I took off the grill, as you guys saw. Under the hood, no more blow-off valves, no more oil catch can, intakes, coolant expansion tanks. I'll explain to you guys right now what I'm going to be doing to the car, explain a little bit more where I've been and, you know, what to expect on the channel. So let's get it. On to bigger and better things. As of right now, guys, let's just enjoy this moment as we drive for the last time in the Q60. Hope you guys are just excited as I am. There is going to be a new car coming to the channel. There might be 2 cars, I don't know yet, so just stay tuned. But yeah, I don't want to get too emotional in this video. This is what made my channel what it is, which is crazy. So thank you guys to all the new subscribers and everyone that's new on the channel, especially the OGs. Thank you guys. Shout out to you guys. I know who you guys are. Besides that, guys, I've been working on my health. Been going to the gym a lot. I've been trying to cut some weight. So yeah, I've just been working a lot. Hope you guys have been good as well. Hope you guys have been living your life. Hope life's been treating you guys well as much as it's been treating me. This is the last time I drive the Q60 and possibly the last time you guys see it on this channel, unless I upload some old videos, old footage. But yeah, I hope you guys have been staying safe. You know, COVID has been a big thing this year, especially last year. It affected a lot of people, you know. Unfortunately, I mean, I'm fortunate enough that it didn't affect me or any of my family members, so I'm thankful. But yeah, before I go in this video, guys, I want to say one thing. Thank you guys. Like, really, from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much for everything. It means a lot, all the support, and I'm gonna just keep making bangers for you guys. You already know. Make sure you guys subscribe, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. What car am I gonna get next for the channel? If you guys have any ideas, what car should I get? Beamer, Supra, GTR, 370. Let me know down in the comments. What do you guys want to see next? And yeah, I truly appreciate you guys' support.
Get out this shit, I got the cheat code. Way more than life than just a hood. I'm trying to reach goals. Back to my heart.
Yo, even though this is my last time driving it, you're gonna drive this bitch hard to the last mile, you feel me? Sheesh! As we're approaching the dealership. Alright, you guys, this is it. The car is sold, and I am no longer the owner of this Q60. This is the last look of it. And yeah, I'm gonna miss this car as much as you guys are, trust me. But this is just the last look of it. One last look of the car before it's gone. Auto Nation Honda, if you guys want to come pick it up, there you guys have it. But it's been real, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.